Welcome to Data Capture Ed Feature Focus on Reports. From the main menu, tap Reports. Select a report type: Parent Report, Class Assessments, Team Learning Report, or Anytime Goal Report. Let's run a parent report. First, we select a date range from and to. I tapped the From date and changed the year to get a longer and more detailed report. Language Arts is the class, and I select a student. To view on screen, I touch Preview Reports. In only a few seconds, I have a full range of reports to choose from: an automated parent report cover page, assessment report, goal report, a photo report, video report, documents report, and audio recordings report. Here's the automated cover page. This is an example student assessment report. This is an example of a goal report based on an insight point. Insight goal materials include QR codes for parents to easily access websites to further understand state-of-the-art materials and methods that best help their student. Student work photography is included with educator notes. Parents can view and confirm signed tardy slips and field trip authorizations. The audio report shows evidence of speech therapy, music, and English as a second language recordings, and educator or therapist notations.